So whether you are on a budget this year or you're in need of a last minute gift and don't have time to go to the store, In the Hoop embroidery projects can make a fantastic Christmas gift. In the Hoop projects can be a great way to use your fabric stash and craft supplies you already have. If you have never tried an In the Hoop project, get ready. You're gonna be blown away with what you can do. So In the Hoop means literally these things are made using your embroidery machine. It is incredible. Let's go ahead and get started. I will link every design I mentioned in the description box below so you can go right to it and make an In the Hoop project. Let's start off with our Christmas In the Hoop projects, starting off with these In the Hoop stockings. Now, depending on what size machine and hoop you have, you can make these as big as some of these big designs that could fit on your mantle. You could go crazy with your fabric choices and personalize with a name or monogram. I am so excited. I'm gonna try to make some of these. These are perfect if you're looking for a scrap buster, or say you're looking for stockings on a budget. This is a great way to make personalized stockings, or you can leave them plain and go crazy with your fabric choices or make them classic Christmas. Christmas video would not be complete without Christmas ornaments that are all made in the hoop. There are so many ornament designs out there, but by far some of my favorites are these from PLUSHIES. She has a whole bundle with everything from an ornament for your teacher, for little girls, little boys, little rustic. They are so cute what's included in this bundle. Next we have these cute treat bags. If you were like me, when my kids were in preschool, we brought little gifts, and of course I had to embroider everything. So these are a fun little festive treat bags that you could whip up and give out to your kids' class, to your grandkids. I think these are so fun. It looks kind of like a plushie. Speaking of plushies, you will be blown away with some of these plushies you can make in the hoop. I mean, look at these. I'm gonna put some examples of some things I found online. A lot of these designers have so many wonderful reviews. They have great tutorials on how to go step by step to make these items. I mean, this fantastic Christmas tree plushie, the Christmas tree cake plushie, oh my gosh, this reindeer. There are so many little stuffed animals. You could even make little stuffed snowballs. We have little gingerbread plushies and little gingerbread girls and boys. I mean, I went down a rabbit hole finding all these plushies for Christmas. So speaking of plushies, we're gonna get away from the Christmas scene for a second and go to dolls, plushies, and pretend play. If you have never been introduced to Planet Applique, you are about to get your mind blown. Her designs are fantastic. Like, the things that she makes with these In the Hoop projects, she has everything from these dolls that look like they're from a store to doll accessories, even like little stuffed animals, little doll diaper bags, and she also has some Christmas plushies. So I have been waiting to try some of these designs. I'm gonna get my daughter to kind of help me a little bit, so I think this will be a fun project. But if you have kids or grandkids and you're looking for a unique present, these dolls and plushies are an incredible In the Hoop project. So moving on, besides plushies, you can tell I'm really passionate about them. For kids and babies, I found these In the Hoop pretend play items. There was like felt food, little busy bags, all kinds of fun activities for them to do, or for pretend play. I even found this cute apron. I mean, look at those ruffles. She also sells a oven mitt that goes kind of along with it. You could make a coordinating little oven mitt set for your little baker. For babies, there are so many options. My favorites, these In the Hoop bibs. I used to make these all the time for my son and daughter. They even had a In the Hoop bandana. Moving on to bags, I found some amazing toiletry bags, little wristlets, wallets, all types of little things that you could use with your fabric. And I'm sure you have some notions and zippers around. I know I have a drawer full, and you could personalize these as well, put a name or monogram, especially for like a teen girl. You could even put little patches on them if you're feeling crazy, and I think it would be a fantastic gift. So moving on, we have keychains. Of course, there are so many different types of keychains. I was searching, there's all kinds, whatever you're into, there's like In the Hoop keychain for it. I loved these wristlets though. Those were some of my favorites. Just a classic, you could use your fabric, or you could get more intricate with all of these types of designs. that are really specific to the person you're making it for, even personalizing them. Moving on to kitchen and home, there are in the hoop mug rugs for you to put your coffee on. I even saw a gingerbread table runner. Look at that. How cute is that? There was these gingerbread trimmets that went through it. I mean, guys, I'm on a gingerbread kick. You could do coasters, and there's so many different types of little things you can do for your home for a gift. There's dish towel toppers that you can make, as well as you can make gift tags or gift card holders for your dog lover. If you have someone who has a new puppy or they are dog moms, these plushies are the cutest. Find their breed and make them a cute little plushie for their puppy, or an in the hoop dog waist bag holder. I mean, there are some creative ones out there. I'm gonna spare you the details. So there are so many in the hoop projects that would make fantastic gifts. What type of in the hoop projects do you like to make? What are your favorites? Have you tried any of these that I have mentioned? Let me know in the comments below. And like I said, all the designs I mentioned today will be linked in the description box below, so you can go ahead and get started on your in the hoop projects. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting and Merry Christmas. Bye for now.